Today's notes is over solving for y. So these equations are in what we call standard form. Ax plus by equals c. We're going to solve for y and convert them into slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So there's two steps. First thing we want to do is move the x term. So for the first example, I have 4x plus 2y equals 8. I'm going to move the 4x by doing the opposite. If this is positive, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract. Okay, so these are not like terms because this one has an x and this one does not. So I cannot actually do anything to those. I'm just going to copy them starting with the x term. Okay, I'm going to copy 2y. Okay, next I'm going to get rid of the coefficient for the y. So the coefficient of the y is 2. So this says 2 times y, so we do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. So I have 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I have y equals negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2x. 8 divided by 2 is positive 4. So that's my equation. When you do your assignment, you're going to type it in just like this, no spaces. Okay, second example. First, we move the x term. So the x term has a negative. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. That cancels. Remember, these are not like terms, so I cannot actually add those. If you add those and you get 5 plus 3 is 8x, that is incorrect. You just copy. Okay? If you notice, there's no number in front of the y, so I do not have to divide anything. So therefore, I'm done. When you type that in, just like that, no spaces. Okay, last example. Move the x term by doing the opposite. This x term is positive. Remember, you only look at what the x term has. This negative is for the y. So this is a positive 9, so I'm going to do the opposite and subtract 9. Subtract 9x. Okay, bring down negative 3y. This is a negative, this is a minus, so make sure you bring that down with it. Don't forget about it. Okay, these are not like terms, so I cannot combine them. Copy. Then I'm going to divide by negative 3. Okay, so I have y equals negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3x. Negative 6 divided by 3 is positive 2. That is my equation. That's it.